11. If you are going to like this video, comment, like and subscribe. L'articolo indeterminativo, Indefinite Article. In the Italian language, there are 3 indefinite articles, 2 masculine ones, uno and un, and 1 feminine, una, sometimes shortened in un with apostrophe. We use the indefinite article when we refer to something that belongs to a category, like people, animals, objects, thoughts, concepts, or ideas. In the Italian language, there is no plural version of the indefinite article. We make up for the lack of plural indefinite articles with other articles and parts of speech. These are articoli partitivi and aggettivi indefiniti. These will be the subject of 2 more videos. Let's go back to our indefinite articles now. Let's see some examples that have to do with category. Category people. Ho visto un uomo passare davanti a casa di Stefano. I have seen a man passing in front of Stefano's house. In this case we use un uomo because we don't know this man. Una donna cammina lungo la spiaggia. A woman walks along the seaside. Again, we use una donna because it is a woman we do not know, a woman among many others. As we have seen in these 2 examples, both are people, but we do not know them, and we cannot qualify them, like when we say il barista del mio bar preferito, the barman of my favorite bar. Category pets and animals. Ho visto un cane abbaiare per strada. I've seen a dog barking on the street. We use un cane because we do not know the dog and who it belongs to. Category objects. C'è una bicicletta gialla in giardino. There is a yellow bike in the garden. We say una bicicletta because we do not know who the bike belongs to. Now, we explore how we use all these articles from a grammatical viewpoint. Let's see when we use the feminine article una. We use the feminine indefinite article una when the noun that follows is feminine and starts with a consonant. Let's have a look at some examples. Dopo quella casa, sulla destra, c'è una strada. After that house, on the right-hand side, there is a road. As we can see, it is a feminine noun that starts with a consonant, S. Sul tavolo c'è una mela. On the table, there is an apple. Una casa bella. A beautiful house. Una stanza spaziosa. A spacious room. Now let's see when we use the shortened form of the feminine article un. We use the short form of the feminine indefinite article un when the noun that follows is feminine and starts with a vowel. Let's have a look at some examples. Sul tavolo c'è un'arancia. On the table there is an orange. Ho telefonato a un'amica che non vedevo da tanti anni. I called a female friend that I haven't seen for many years. Un'anatra vola sopra il lago. A duck flies over the lake. Let's see when we use the masculine indefinite article uno. We use uno before masculine nouns that starts with S plus consonant, gn, ye, I plus vowel, X, Y, Z, pn, ps. And now some examples. S plus consonant. Uno stagno, uno sbadiglio, uno sforzo, uno sguardo. Gn, uno gnomo, uno gnocco, uno gnu. Ye, uno juventino. I plus vowel. uno iato. X, Y, Z. Uno xilofono. Uno yogurt. Uno zaino. Pn. Uno pneumologo. Uno pneumatico. Ps. Uno psicologo. Uno psichiatra. Let's see when we use the masculine indefinite article un. We use the indefinite article un before all the other masculine nouns. Un tavolo, un piatto, un giardino, un amico, un ulivo, un arco, un artiglio. Grazie per aver seguito questa lezione. Thank you for following this lesson. Ciao e a presto. I'll see you soon.